In this lesson on exponential and logarithmic equations, we'll explore and derive a result known as the change of base formula. Let's review what we know so far about the base 10 or common logarithm. So we've said that base 10 logarithms are typically used in computations, and we abbreviate the base 10 logarithm, log base 10 of x, as just log of x. And we've seen previously in our example working with the equation 2 to the x equals 5, that we can rewrite the log base 2 of 5 as the common log of 5 divided by the common log of 2. Our goal in this lesson is to explore this property more generally. So the property that we're going to learn is called the change of base formula. And it says that the log base b of a number x, where b is positive and not equal to 1, and x is any positive number, can be rewritten as the common log, or log base 10 of x, divided by the common log, or the log base 10 of b. So let's prove why this property is true. We're interested in looking at this quantity, the log base b of x. So let's let y denote the log base b of x, and rewriting this logarithmic equation in exponential form gives us that b to the y is equal to x. Now, using our properties of logarithms, we know that b is equal to 10 to the log base 10, or just common log of b, and similarly x is equal to 10 to the log x. So I'll replace my b and b to the y and the x on the right hand side with 10 to the log b and 10 to the log x respectively. This gives us 10 to the log b all to the y equals 10 to the log x. Now we know that on the left hand side our exponents multiply, so we get 10 to the y times log b is equal to 10 to the log x. We now have our equation with a common base, a base of 10 on both sides of our equation. So we can equate the exponents and we get y times log b is equal to log x. And solving for y, remember y was this quantity log base b of x that we want to solve for, we get y is equal to log x over log b. Therefore, we conclude that the log base b of x is equal to the common log of x, or the log base 10 of x, divided by the common log of b. And again, this result is known as the change of base formula, and this change of base formula will allow us to compute logarithms of various bases. Just like in our previous example, we computed the log base 2 of 5 as log 5 divided by log 2, and we're able to use our calculator to compute these common or base 10 logs.